Hi, I'm Chesar. Welcome to another Builderall Tips and Tricks episode. Every week I will take a look at all the questions on my channel, emails, and the official Builderall Facebook groups. I'll pick a few and guide you through the how-tos of it all. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell because I'll be coming at you a few times a week. The new Builderall is totally rewriting the industry standards for digital marketing software. 40+ tools that seamlessly integrate with one another under one roof at one price. So check it out. Click on one of the links in the description and take advantage of my exclusive offers full of over $8,000 worth of bonuses if you join my award-winning Builderall team. So let's get to it. Guys, in this video, I'm really pumped up about this one. I just learned this less than an hour ago on how to use the social proof app inside Builderall to actually deliver a coupon code or a coupon or a discount or a bonus instead of just the ordinary pop-up of that social proof of someone, hey, someone else joined Chris's team. That's really cool. But what if I could actually deliver something of true value to someone, a prospect who was on my page? Like I said, whether it's an extra bonus. And think about that for a second, what you could actually do with that. You could be rotating special different bonuses, almost like a roulette wheel with this app. You gotta really think outside the box with this. You could keep people on your page longer, which is great for SEO. They're waiting for the best deals to cycle through for them to click on. I mean, there's a lot you could really do here. So let's take a look at what we can do, and I'll show you what I mean on this demo site. I just created this little coupon, and we'll do another one, but right here, a demo site here, and you'll see it pop up in a second. And there you can see down here, get 25% off and free shipping now, use code blah, blah, blah. So this is really cool. And think about cycling stuff through. Get 25% off, get 35% off. Get 5% off, and then they're on your website longer and longer and longer, waiting for an even better deal to pop up. This is pretty cool. So let me show you how to build this and connect it to your website or sales funnel. Inside my Builderall back office, I'm gonna go to Apps, and I'm gonna go over to Email and Engagement, and we're looking for engagement, of course, social proof pop-up. So we'll take this and we're gonna go non-traditional on this. So it's pretty basic layout here, guys. You have your dashboard, which is right here, your campaigns and translations. But right now we're going to go to campaigns and we're going to create a completely new campaign from scratch. So we'll call our new campaign. All right, so let's talk about the action label. This isn't going to show up anywhere that I'm aware of, but you got to play around with this, have some fun with it. So action label would be the second line on your social proof bubble. So this is where we would want our code to be, or a coupon code, or whatever you want there, whatever message you want. This is going to be the second line. We'll say use code SALE50, and we need to check this off. This is the Builderall application to collect data. So this is a social proof campaign, and it's supposed to be collecting information from one of the forms. So we can just put Mailing Boss on here, that's fine. It's not, don't worry about it, it's not gonna matter. And then URL to navigate on pop-up click. So when that pop-up comes up, say you're 50% off or free shipping or bonus, whatever it is, and you wanna send them to a bonus page or wherever you wanna send them, you need to put that URL in this spot right here. So let's just send them to this page here. I'll copy this, and we have this open here, so we'll paste that in here. And that's my join.chrischesar site. We don't need a translation. It's up to you if you want to do that, but you can mess around with it. And then next step would be is pop-up timing. So I like to put 0 here, and I'm just playing with this. You guys can mess around with these numbers. And I'll put 10 here. It's like 10 seconds. And then you have 2 themes, and that's just your pop-up appearance. There's a default, that's a lighter color, and I like the dark theme. And then you pick what you want. And then you can put a little icon up here. So select the file and you can either drag and drop one in or you can just upload one from your computer. All right, so we got a little rocket there. Now this is very important on the next step. This is creating your campaign. So we don't want to show the user location. So if you toggle that on, it's going to mess things up. So leave that turned off. The only thing, it gets a little confusing here. This is a separate instruction. That's for this box here. That's where do you want this pop-up to show up, this social proof pop-up. So it gets a little crowded right there. So if you hit the down arrow, you want it in the bottom left, bottom right, top left, top right. Let's go bottom left. And like I said, you do what you'd like to do for your business. Hit create. Our campaign is set up. Now, where's the coupon? We actually need to create a ghost user at this point to use. So we're kind of cheating the system. We're not really doing social proof. We're going to create a ghost user that's going to deliver this particular coupon code. All right, so I did a little maintenance here. I just deleted one so it's up on the top screen so you can see it here. So at this point, we're going to go to our demo sale here. We'll click on the 3 dots. And now we're going to go to Ghost Records. So let's go to Ghost Records and see what's going on. Well, we don't have any. We have to create one. You can create multiple. You can create 100 of them. It doesn't really matter. But for now, we're going to create just one. We'll show Ghost Records. We'll toggle that on. And let's add a Ghost Record. Now, remember, when we created our campaign, we have these toggled off. We're not going to display the country and we're not going to display the city. So we don't need them. This is going to be our ghost user name is going to be our very top line of our social proof bubble. So this is where we're going to put what's our call to action. So we'll put here, so we'll do something like that. And I'm going to show you, let's see if this shows up, ghost name. So we know that this top line is the ghost name. And that's how you really kind of play around with this stuff, is put a marker in there so when you're going between your ghost user and your social proof campaign, you know which one goes where in case you forget. This is an easy way to do it. So I'm just going to put 0. You probably don't have to change this, but you can do minutes, hours, or days. I'm just going to put 0 minutes and I'm going to add this record. That's how easy it is. It's done. It's already saved, all good to go. Now the only thing is we have to connect this to our website or sales funnel. So let's do that. Back inside our Cheetah website pages here of this particular demo site. On the left-hand side, we're going to scroll down until we find social proof. And let's click on social proof. And you can see I already had another campaign connected to this as a test. We'll connect which page do we want these coupons to show up on. I'll hit the home page here and let me select which campaign I'm going to use. Now this is the one we just created, demo sale. I'll click on that and all I have to do is hit save at this point and go back, scroll back up to my pages. And what I like to do is republish this. Let's republish it once and that should do the trick. Let me get out of here and I'll click on the 3 dots of our home page and I'm going to go to the website and let's see what pops up. So here you have, I blew my screen up. Here you have your coupon code and there's our ghost name top line. If I click on it, it should take me to my join.chrischesar page and there you go. So think about that guy. Now I blew this screen up here so you guys can see what's going on. So it's a lot easier to see. You see the coupon pop up. This would be normally somebody's name, where they're from, they joined or they purchased. But now we're actually using this social proof delivering a bonus or a coupon. And like when I started thinking about this thing, I got excited about it. It's like, this is actually pretty cool because I could rotate like 10 different bonuses that goes through and you can stage them up that way. You know, bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4. They're going to stay on your site. They're going to be sitting here waiting for them to rotate through, seeing if something's even better. But then it gets worse. So they have to wait again for another 30 or 60 seconds to get to the best deal for them to click on. One of the things though, they're all going to go to the same place. You can only put one URL in here for your complete campaign. But that's cool. So you could all send them, have all kinds of different deals and send them to a page and they'll get it anyway. But just all I'm saying is I haven't thought it through. I just learned how to do this tonight. So it's really cool. It's a fun, different way to get a little bit creative with your marketing. So let me know in the comments your ideas on how you would use social proof in a non-traditional way. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I check them daily. And don't forget, if you haven't tried out the new Builderall, just click on one of the links in the description and get all my exclusive bonuses when you join the Premium or Funnel Club plans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.